Hi guys, this is Anjali Green reading for Capricorn, and this is going to be a general reading for the first half of August. So this is going to be for a bi-weekly reading, and this is a general reading, guys. So if you are interested in a personal reading, all the information is given below. Excuse me, guys. And guys, thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and in Facebook, and the information is down below. And thank you guys. This is my first month. I'm completing first month of doing my readings here, and I'm expressing my gratitude towards the people who have subscribed and who have shared and liked my videos. All right, and thank you so much, guys. So let's see what are the messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn for the first half of August? Messages for Capricorn for the first half of August. They have got the strength, which means that this means you must be in a place where you're bringing the strength to a situation, or there is strength here, or you might be even thinking about a Leo here, okay, which means that there is a situation where you need to be strong and courageous, okay. Now let's see. The first message we got is a broken heart, which means that you might be moving on from a person or a relationship. There must have been some kind of hurt, pain in a situation, and you're trying to move on, or you're trying to be strong in that situation. And then patient. Sorry, the sun has come out, which brings so much of new beginnings, happiness, and enlightenment here. Which means that I really feel that you're moving on from one relationship to the another. You're starting over, fresh. Let's see what are the messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? The throat chakra. Okay, my throat chakra is done with. Okay, so fifth chakra, which means there is communication, there is new communications coming in, or there is communication which bringing in new opportunities here. So which means that you're definitely moving on from one situation to another, and there is communication involved here, which means that there is somebody trying to get your attention, or trying to talk to you. Messages for Capricorn, please. What are the messages for Capricorn? Any more messages for Capricorn? Looks like those are my messages, guys. Okay. Now let's get into your tarot. Let's see what are the messages for. What is the current situation like? What is the present situation for Capricorn for August half, 1st to the 15th of August? What are the messages for Capricorn for the first? Two of Wands, which means that you might be in a crossroads. Like I really feel that you might be thinking about multiple things at a time, and you're not sure which one to choose from. Aries or Sagittarius energy here, right? Let's see what is the foundation here. Okay, we have got Four of Swords here. Yeah, you are taking time to think things through, which must be which must. I really feel that this is related to your heart here. Okay, now let's see what's benefiting you. What's benefiting you? It's the Nine of Cups here, which means that there is some kind of fulfillment here, emotional fulfillment, some kind of you might be waiting for something to happen, and there is. I really feel that there's wish fulfillment here, but I really feel that you need one more cup to complete your cycle. So let's see what is crowning a spread. What is crowning the spread for Capricorn? Okay, we have got the Justice. We have got Libra energy here, which means that there's some kind of justice being coming towards you, or there is some kind of balance coming towards you. Justice being served, fairness to all here. Let's see what's your outcome here. The Fool, which means that you might be starting over, and you might be taking a leap of faith into the unknown here, which means that you're at crossroads. You're waiting for some kind of healing here. There is some kind of expectation which brings some kind of wish fulfillment, and then bringing some kind of balance, and you're starting over here, right? Let's see why is the Two of Wands here? Clarify the Two of Wands. Okay. Major indecision here. It might be two thoughts, two people, or two situation here, and the Four of Cups, which means that you are being stubborn, or you are taking time to think things through, right? Major indecision. You might be feeling like you're stuck in a situation. Why is it Two of Swords with the Four of Cups? Yeah, you know what you want, but you're unable to move forward. Maybe you're taking your time to think things through, because it's like been there, done that, not happy with it, and yeah, you're stuck with the Eight of Swords here. Definitely stuck. Now let's see why is the Four of Swords in your foundation. Let's see why is the Four of Swords here. Clarify the Four of Swords. Why is the Four of Swords? Clarify the Four of Swords. Why is the Four of Swords? The King of Wands here, which means you might be thinking about Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you might be feeling like there is you need some kind of somebody to bring that passion into your situation, or there is some kind of person who is offering you the situation but you're not sure about it. All right, which means that somebody is very determined and passionate and who wants to offer you Four of Wands energy, stability here, foundation, new beginning in a relationships. Okay. Oh my God. You know Wands here, which means that you are a perfect match with this person, or you might be feeling like you need your soulmate, or you're calling your soulmate. I just got that from, wow. Okay, nice guys. I'm not gonna clarify more than that, which means that this is a soulmate energy, or you're thinking about it and you're not sure about it because you're making things right, or maybe you had some kind of indecision in the past, or you might be stuck on to somebody in the past. But I really feel that if you have this person in your mind who is like offering you stability, I think he looks like your perfect match here. Now let's see why is the Nine of Cups here. Clarify the Nine of Cups. Yeah, you are letting go. You are moving on from whatever has holding you, whatever you are holding on to, or the situation where you feel that you are not getting what you deserve. Why is the Nine of Cups? Yeah, there is a definite what do you say? Hierophant, definitely communication, commitment. This is also about Taurus here. That's Taurus card here. There is definitely contract here, guys. And you're being defensive here. You're not sure about things, but you're defensive. You're being very defensive here. Two of Wands again, indecision here. A major indecision, guys. Now let's see why is the Justice crown in your spread. Clarify the Justice. King of Pentacles. We have Page of Swords here, Page of Pentacles here, bringing a stable, offer into your hand. But there is conflict here, which means that you might not be ready. You are in a major indecision phase here, guys. You might feel that there is some kind of conflict here, and then the Queen of Swords, which means that you might be taking a decision. Aquarius, a Libra, Gemini energy here, definitely. Look what came out. The Devil came out. That's definitely your energy. You might be attached to somebody, and you need to take time out to think things through. And looks like a major indecision here. Maybe the person who has left you, or maybe the situation, what has happened, has left you in crossroads here, right? The Strength card coming out again, clearly saying that you need to be courageous and strong about the situation here. Now let's see why is the Fool here in your outcome. Clarify the Fool in your outcome, please. Why is the Fool here? Clarify the Fool. Why is the Fool here? Clarify the Fool, please. Why is the Fool here? Clarify the Fool. Why is the Fool here? Clarify the Fool. You might be moving on from a sneaky energy here, right? You are taking time out, you're taking time to think things through, and you'll be gaining the strength and moving on away from that Seven of Swords energy, which brings some kind of sneaky behavior, sneaky person into your life. What you're looking for is the Six of Pentacles here. What you need is an equal give and take situation, okay? And which brings some kind of balance into your life, which brings balance into your life, not some kind of balance. It is bringing equal. I really feel that there's some kind of potential here with the King and Queen of Wands coming into spread with the Four of Wands here. There is huge potential for you to meet your soulmate. That's what I feel like. Right? Let's see. Yeah, definitely ending of a cycle, right? With the Ten of Swords energy means that you are moving on from this painful ending here, and bringing huge down, brings huge unexpected changes, and always be open to ideas, because you are connected with the divine. You are a part of the divine, and you will be intuitively guided, okay? Now, overall energy, we are starting with the slowing down, which means this is the Knight of Pentacles, bringing some kind of, okay, hold on, I'm missing some kind. There is an offer coming towards you. It's going to be a slow moving one because it's the Page of Pentacles. Earth energy, definitely a slow energy. There's guilt here with the Eight of Swords energy, which means that you're unable to move forward and you're holding on to some kind of guilt here. Okay. Then comes the celebration, which means that there is some kind of reunion or somebody coming back into your life. There is an event or an invitation regarding some kind of marriage or something. And then there is laziness with the Nine of Cups energy here. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. Okay. We have got the Ace of Wands. I got this while I was reading here. But then again, it shows itself here, which means that this is a source, which means that you are going through a new period of time where there is a passionate start here. And then there's awareness coming into your life, bring the awareness coming from within you, which is the High Priestess as well, right? So it means that you are being guided and you need to be strong enough to bring that awareness into your life, okay? And take one thing at a time, moment to moment, which means that you need to take one step at a time, be present totally into the situation and take things a bit lighter, because you are taking too much stress here. Enjoy the smaller things in life, and definitely you're holding on to something from the past here, which means that you're not ready to move on to something new. Let's see what are the messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? 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 What does Capricorn need to know? We have brightness, Nine of Pentacles coming in your spread, bringing some kind of stability into your life. And you need to be patient here with the Silence card. You need to have that awareness from within. Don't clutter your mind. Keep your mind clear. And the ideas will flow through. The information will definitely flow through. And there is integration here. If you feel that you're being too strong with ideas and things, you need to integrate yourself. Take the good and the bad together and understand the situation and move on. So guys, this is the bi-weekly reading for you, and I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.